and welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute.
We're going to extract 3 molars on this patient. They're pretty periodontally involved. To save the teeth next to them and make it easy for us, I'm going to use the periotome here, the cube. It's going to loosen up the teeth really nice for us, and we're going to take these out nice and quickly for our guy here. I don't know if it's, yeah, it's working. You can see it's just cutting the ligament between the bone and the tooth. You can put it all the way down. Any pain, sir? Nothing. All right. Any pain here? Feel that? Nope. All right, good. Alright, that tooth is already moving for me. See how loose it is just from that. Tooth is out. A lot of abscess there. Cleaning it out. now we're going to use our Restore Plus, which is our Shatkin product that is just bone graft here, basically. Okay, open up one more time here.
You want more than just one?
I think that's enough.
Okay.
Definitely Hemostip though.
So the options on dentures are implant dentures.
This is the Hemostip that we also sell and make. Stop the bleeding here. Also acts sort of like a membrane for the bone graft. What? It says pretty loose.
Oh, yeah. Was that sensitive? Yeah.
Good time to
Sorry,
use
there's
this.
just a little root in there that we're trying to get
There's
out.
just one tiny little root that I found here. It's actually coming in handy, for sure. That might have been it, yeah. Let me see. I feel like there's like a tiny... It had like a weird curve at the end of it that I... Yeah, it's coming. It's like loose. It's almost just like I'm playing with it, trying to get a hold of it. But it's too small for me to like grab. Yeah, no, I got it actually. Here, just if you keep it really... There we go. It was so loose, it just was unfortunately hard for me to grab. All right, and those 3 extractions conclude your Monday Morning Minute.
I'd like to highlight some of our upcoming training courses that we'd love to see you. Our first one is going to be August 7th and 8th in Branson, Missouri, which is our International Academy of Mini Dental Implants. The next one is an intro course on September 17th and 18th here in Buffalo, New York. After that, we'll be down in Florida again in Palm Beach Gardens on October 2nd and 3rd at the PGA Resort. And then finally, we wrap up the year with our highly anticipated November Advanced course with Dr. Gordon Christensen on November 12th, 13th, and 14th. Please call Shatkin F.I.R.S.T and reserve your seat. These courses will definitely sell out. Thank you, and we'll see you next week on the Monday Morning Minute.